Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Pisam. You are welcome to um, Apex Easy Learning. Today we'll be looking at physics, heat and temperature. Heat and temperature. Heat is a form of energy known as thermal energy. It is always transferred from a hot object to a colder one due to difference in their temperature. Then temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Degree of hotness or coldness of a body. That is how hot or how cold an object is. That is what the temperature deals with. Now we have different effect of heat when there is applications of heat on some substance. The first one is the change in temperature. When a body gain heat, the temperature increases. And when the body loses heat, the temperature decreases. Also, we have expansions of a body. Expansion of a body. Meaning that when a body is heated, the body will expand both in length, in breadth, in area, in volume, in all dimensions. The body will expand. We also have change of state, meaning the body can change from liquid to gas and so on and so forth when the body gain heat. If a solid substance gain heat, it might change to liquid and as well change to gas. And if a liquid substance loses heat, it might change to solid. Then we also have change in physical and chemical properties. If a body is heated, we might have a change in physical appearance of the body. It might be deformed. There might be a color change. Those are the physical change. Then the chemical properties of the body also can also change as well. Then we have change in pressure for gaseous system. In a gaseous system, when there is a change in heat, there are also change in pressure. Then we have thermionic emission. This one is the emissions of electrons on the metal surface when the metal is heated. So that emission of the electrons on the metal surface is what we call the thermionic emission. So those are the effects of the heat. Firstly, we are going to look at the effect of change in temperature. Earlier we said that temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. So how do we measure this temperature? How do we measure temperature? We have the instrument that we use to measure the temperature for long time is thermometer. We have been using thermometer to measure temperature. And we have different types of thermometer. We have the first one, liquid in glass thermometer. We have liquid in glass thermometer. Also, we have other thermometer like gas thermometer, sulfur resistant thermometer. We also have thermocouple and we have bimetallic thermometer. So the type of this thermometer that we'll be looking at is the liquid in glass thermometer. Firstly, the thermometric substance for it is mercury or alcohol. Then the physical property that is always be in consideration is the change in volume, meaning as the temperature changes, the volume of the liquid in this glass will change. Then we have an important things that we must know when we deal with the two liquid that is fit to use as a thermometric substance, the mercury in glass and the alcohol in glass. We have the properties of this liquid that is very, very important that we know it. So the liquid that we must use for the thermometric substance must have these properties. One, the liquid should expand and contract uniformly with temperature. Secondly, the liquid should have high boiling point and the liquid should have low melting point, and also the liquid should be opaque and easily seen. So we also have reasons why water cannot be used as a thermometric substance. If you have checked past questions, WAEC past questions, you must have seen questions like this. Number one, water has small range of expansion. Water expands range is between 0 and 100 degrees Celsius. And also, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Water also boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water does not expand uniformly. Once water gets to 4 degrees Celsius, it will start to expand. If you know, that is anomalous behavior of water. Once water attains 4 degrees Celsius, the expansions will start again. So the expansions is not uniform. Water do wet glass and water is colorless, so it is very difficult to read the meniscus if we use water. But alcohol and mercury, they are fit for this. When you look at them, the boiling point of alcohol, if you look at it, the boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius, while the melting point is minus 115 degrees Celsius. And also, if you look at mercury, the boiling point of mercury is 375 degrees Celsius, and the melting point or freezing point is minus 37 degrees Celsius. So if you look at those two substances, their temperature range is very wide compared to water. Now we have the advantage of mercury over alcohol as a thermometric substance. Number one, mercury has greater conductivity than alcohol. When you look at it, we said that the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius, while that of the mercury is 375 degrees Celsius. So the conductivity of mercury is higher than that of alcohol. Then mercury expands rapidly, which indicates temperature change quickly, while alcohol expands slowly and responds to temperature change slowly. Also, mercury is an opaque substance, meaning you don't need to even add anything before you can see the meniscus of the mercury. But alcohol have to be colored before we can use it as a thermometric substance. Then also we have mercury as a convex meniscus and does not wet glass, but alcohol has a concave meniscus and it also always clings to the wall of the glass. Then mercury does not vaporize easily, alcohol vaporize easily, even at low temperature. Mercury can be used to measure higher temperature, while alcohol cannot be used. We just the boiling point of that is 78 degrees Celsius, as we said earlier. Then we have advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric substance. Alcohol freezes at minus 15 degrees Celsius, so meaning it can measure a very low temperature compared to mercury. Then also alcohol can be used to measure very low temperature and also the expansivity of alcohol is about 6 times that of mercury for the same temperature rise. We also have different other types of thermometer. Gas thermometer, the thermometric substance of that one is gas. Physical change, the gas pressure changes with temperature. Then we have resistance thermometer. The thermometric substance there is resistant, is resistant wire, and the electric resistance change with temperature. This one's observe Ohm's law. While gas thermometer make use of gas law. Then we also have thermocouple, which also using two dissimilar wires, which change the electrical potential difference between two metals junctions at different temperature. Then we also have bimetallic thermometer. The thermometric substance there is two dissimilar metals. The physical property, we have different expansions of metals, metals, the bimetallic strip. So the next class we will talk about how we measure using the thermometer. So any questions you have, you can post it to our page of our Facebook, as it will be written under this page. Thanks for watching.